children, a very good morning to all. Hope you are all fine and safe at home. Okay, shall we see our today's class? So in last class we have revised 6 tables. Have you all practiced the 6 table? Fine. Now we move on to 7 table. Okay, shall we do that one? Yes. See, 1 7 is 7. 2 sevens are 14. 3 sevens are 21. 4 sevens are 28. 5 sevens are 35. 6 sevens are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 8 sevens are 56. 9 sevens are 63. 10 sevens are 70. Okay, children, shall we recall once again? Repeat after me, okay? You have to practice 7 table, okay? Fine. See, 1 7 is 7. 2 sevens are 14. 3 sevens are 21. 4 sevens are 28. 5 sevens are 35. 6 sevens are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 8 sevens are 56. 9 sevens are 63. 10 sevens are 70. Okay, you have to practice. Okay, children. So practice and write 2 times in your class note. Okay. Shall we move on to the chapter now? So in last class we have discussed chapter 8 time. Right? So you all seen the clock. Right? Okay, children. So today I am going to continue the same chapter. Chapter 8 time. Okay. Exercise 8.1. Up to second problem we have finished already. Right? Now we move on to third problem. Okay. What is the time in the given clock? Okay. Here they have given the clock. We have to find out the time. Okay. So we have to find out in 2 ways. Okay. I will tell you how to write it 2 ways. Okay. See, this is the small hand and this is the long hand. Okay. This is small hand and this one is long hand. So the small hand is pointing exactly to 3. Okay. And the long hand is pointing exactly to 12. Okay. So the time is 3. Okay. So the long hand is a minute hand and the short hand is a hour hand. Okay. So the hour hand, first you have to check the hour hand. It is pointing to 3. Okay. And it is exactly to 12. So the time is 3 o'clock. Okay. You have to write 3 o'clock. Okay. And also another way 3. The time is 3. Okay. So 3 o'clock and 3. This is a 2 form of writing the time. Okay. Generally we used to say no 3 o'clock and the time is 3. So the same we have written here in 2 form. Okay. See the B problem. What is the time here? See the small hand first. The small hand is pointing to 5. Okay. And the long hand is pointing to 12. Okay. So it is exactly 5. The time is 5. Okay. So we can write 5 o'clock. Okay. 5 o'clock and the time is 5. Okay. In the 2 form we have written 5 o'clock and 5. Just check the hour hand first. Okay. The hour hand and see where it is pointing. Okay. Here I have written the numbers. So you know the numbers, right? So see the short hand where it is pointing. Okay. That number you have to write first and the long hand if it is straight to 12 means the time is 0. Okay. That is 5 o'clock. The minute hand it will be 0. Okay. The minute hand should be 0. It starts from 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. That becomes 0. Okay, ma'am? Fine, children. So this is 5 o'clock. Okay. Next one. Draw the hour hand to show the time. Okay. Already in the book they have given the minute hand. Okay. That is the long hand. Okay, they have given the minute hand. Okay, the minute hand is given, that is the long hand. Okay children, we have to draw the short hand, that is hour hand. Okay, here they have given the time. According to the time, we have to draw the hour hand. Okay, see what is the time here they have given? 4. Okay, 4 o'clock. So the minute hand should be in 0. Already it's given in the 12. That is 0. Okay, so where the hour hand should point? It should point 4. Okay, because the time here is 4. So the short hand. Okay, you should draw short. Okay, there is a difference between long hand and short hand. You should draw short hand. Okay, next one. See the B problem. Here the time is 9. Okay, 9 o'clock. So already the long hand is pointing to 12. That is 0 minutes. Now we have to draw the hour hand. Where it should point? So it should point 9. Okay, you should draw small hand. Okay children, see there is a difference between short hand and long hand. Okay, so the short hand should point to 9. Okay, so this is 9 o'clock. Okay children, fine. See the next one. Draw the hands to show the time. Here they have given only the time. We have to draw short hand as well as long hand. Okay. See 1 o'clock or 1. Okay. So 1 o'clock. Where should point first? You have to draw the hour hand. The hour hand should point to 1. Okay, here they have asked to draw the hands for 1 o'clock. So the short hand should point to 1 and the minute is 0. 0 means it should point to 12. Okay, so this is 1 o'clock. Okay, fine children. See the next one. 8 o'clock or 8. Okay, so 8 o'clock. First draw the hour hand. The hour hand should face to 8. Okay, small hand. So small hand is the hour hand. Okay, so the hour hand should face 8 and the minute hand here is 0. Okay, so 0 means it should point to 12. Okay children, this is long hand and this is short hand. So the time here is 8 o'clock. Like this you have to draw the hands for the given clock. Okay, see here they have given hands and clock. We have find out the time in 2 forms. And second one, draw the hour hand. Already minute hand is given, the long hand is given. We have drawn the short hand. Okay, so that one over. Next one. So here they didn't give any hands, neither short hand or long hand. Okay, we have drawn according to the given time. Okay, we have drawn both short hand and long hand. Okay children, next we are going to see days of a week. Okay, before getting into that one, we can see one activity related to this concept. Okay. Okay children, now we can see how many days are there in a week. Okay, so Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, so in a week there are 7 days. Okay, what are the days? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, these are all the days in 1 week. Okay, now we can see how many months are there in a year. Okay children, fine. Now we can see how many months are there in a year along with the number of days in each month. Okay, the first month is January. Okay, January has 31 days. How many days? 31 days totally. Okay, January has 31 days. Next, February. Okay, February has 28 days. Okay, this is the shortest month. Okay, so February has only 28 days. Okay, if it is a leap year, Leap year means that is one day will be added in the February. It becomes 29 days. It occurs only once in a 4 years. Okay, that is a leap year that will come in February. Okay, one day will be added in the February. That is called leap year. Okay, otherwise February has only 28 days. Okay, fine children. Next one, March. Okay, March has 31 days. How many days? March has 31 days. And April. April has 30 days. Okay, next one, May. May has 31 days. Okay, May has 31 days. Next, June. June has 30 days. Okay, June has 30 days. Next is July. July has 31 days. Okay, next August. August has 31 days. Here only the continuously 2 months have 31 days. Okay, July and August. Next, September. September has 30 days. Okay, September has 30 days. Next, October. October has 31 days. Okay, October has 31 days. Next, November. November has 30 days. Okay, November has 30 days. And last month is December. December has 31 days. Okay, children, see the number of days will not be in your portion, but just to know I said the number of days. Okay, in next class, in next grade, you will be learning very easy method for this number of days. Okay, now you can see only the months. Okay, January, first month is January, second one is February, third month is March, fourth month is April, fifth month is May, sixth month is June, seventh month is July, and eighth month is August, ninth month is September, 10th month is October, 11th month is November, and 12th month is December. So there are 12 months in a year. Okay, you know what are the months. Okay, children, fine. See, have you all enjoyed the activity? Okay, children. See, days of a week. Just now I have said, no, how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days. What are they? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, there are 7 days in a week. Okay, fine children. So here you have an exercise 8.2. Okay, so what is that 8.2? Joseph went to Mumbai for a week during his vacation. Okay, Joseph is a boy. He went to Mumbai for his vacation. Okay, all the activities done by him over the week have been shown with the help of pictures. Okay, here they have given the pictures related to the vacation. Okay, in the days, for the days, one day, one activity they have given as a picture. So here they asked to match the activities with the day they were done. Okay, so here we have to match the activity related to the days. Okay, by seeing this picture you have to match it correctly. Okay, see the first picture. What is the first picture? So he went, he is going in the train. Okay, what is the day? This is Sunday. Okay, the first day is Sunday. Okay, so he is going in the train. See here they have given the match the following. First they ask Sunday. Sunday what he is doing? Find out the answer in this side. See, took a train to Mumbai. Okay, Sunday he took a train to Mumbai. Okay, match it correctly. What is the second activity? What is the next day? Next day is Monday. Okay, so what he is doing in Monday? See, Monday they have given here what that boy is doing. He is playing a football. Okay, he is playing in the football. So match the answer here correctly. Monday, here the answer. Match it correctly. Went to play a football match. Okay, that is the answer. So Monday he is playing a football match. Okay, Fine children. What is the next day after Monday? You have Tuesday. Okay. What he is doing in the Tuesday? He is visited zoo. Okay. So find out the answer here. See, to Tuesday. Tuesday he visited a zoo. Okay. Fine children. What is the next day? Next day is Wednesday. What he is doing on Wednesday? See, he is playing in the, he is enjoying in the beach. Okay. So find out the answer here. Went to a beach. So Wednesday he went to a beach. Okay. By seeing the picture only you have to match it correctly children. Okay. Without picture you cannot do this activity. Okay. Fine. What is the next day? Thursday. Okay. What he is doing in Thursday? He has visited garden. Okay. He is playing in the garden. Okay. See, Thursday. Find out the answer here. Visited a garden. Okay. Fine. Next one. What he is doing on Friday? He went to a movie. Okay. He went to watch a movie. Okay. So find out the answer here. Where is the answer? See here. Went to watch a movie. Okay. On Friday he went to watch a movie. And the last one is Saturday. What he is doing on Saturday? See, he went to shopping. Okay, he is shopping in the Mumbai. Okay, see, on Saturday he went to shopping. Here the answer. Okay, like this you have to complete this, match the following. Okay, by seeing the picture you have to complete this, match the following. Understood? Fine children. Now we move on to the next one. Months in a year. Okay. See, months in a year. I have showed the through calendar. Okay, you all have seen months. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months. Shall we read what are they? Yes. The first month. What is the first month? January. Okay, the first month is January. Okay, second month. What is the second month? Second month is February. Okay, second month is February. Okay, this is the shortest month in the year. Okay, it has only 28 days. Okay, during leap year, one day will be added with this. Okay, already I have shown in the activity. Okay, children, fine. So the second month is February, and the third month is March. Okay, third month is March. Next, fourth month. Fourth month is April. What is the fourth month? April. Next, fifth month. What is the fifth month? May. Okay. What is the fifth month? May. And what is the sixth month? June. Sixth month is June. The seventh month. What is the seventh month? This July. What is the seventh month? July. What is the eighth month? August. What is the eighth month? August. And the ninth month is September. Ninth month is September. And the 10th month is October. 10th month is October. And the 11th month is November. What is the 11th month? November. And the last month. What is the 12th month? December. Okay. Now it's running, right? Today only it starts December month, right? So that is the last month. This month only last month in a year. Okay, children. So that is December. There are 12 months in a year. Okay, fine children. So what we have seen today? So in this chapter we have seen time. Okay, how to see the time and how to draw a shorthand and longhand. Okay, you know how to draw. There is a difference between shorthand and longhand, and you should know how to see the time. Okay, already I have said. Okay, how to see the time. Next, what we have seen? We have seen the calendar. Okay, in calendar we have seen number of days. Okay, number of days as well as number of months in a year. How many days are in a week? There are 7 days. Okay, 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, there are 7 days in a week. And what we have seen? Months. Okay, how many months in a week? There are 12 months. What are they? Say it with me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So totally 12 months in a year. Okay. You know how many months in a year? There are 12 months. You all have calendar at your home, right? So watch the calendar and find out the number of days in each month. Okay children? Fine. See, by following this one, you have an assignment. Okay? Complete your assignment. Okay? Thank you children.